Good morning, student. So in the previous video, in the video 7 or 8, we already learned the theorems, that is corresponding angle, interior angles and alternate angles. Okay. So after completion of the theorem, we can find the question, means we can solve the question by using that theorem. Here the first example is find the value of x and y and show that AB parallels to CD. Means here from figure AB and CD are the two lines which intersected by line X at these 2 points. So first we find the value of x and y, and after that we want to show line AB is parallel to CD. Now for the solution, first of all we consider x. You know that this 50 plus x, these two angles forming a linear pair. Therefore we write as a 50 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Because they form a linear pair. क्या form करते हैं वो? Linear pair. Got it? Therefore, x is equals to 180 minus 50. So, x is equals to 130. So, this is the value of x we got here. Similarly, we can find the value of y. Here, 130 and y. So, y is equals to 130. We will write directly because this 130 and this y, they are the vertically opposite angle. Therefore, y is equals to 130 degree vertically opposite angles. Got it? Now, here we get both the value, that is x is equals to 130 also and y is also equals to 130. So from these two values we can write as a x is equals to y. Got it? Now if x and y, if we consider the angle x and y, then what we get here? These two angles are the alternate angle क्योंकि ये z बना रहे हैं. देखो, see here. This form a z. The sides of the angle x and y form English alphabet z. Therefore they are called as a alternate angle, interior alternate angle or alternate interior angle. Therefore, x is equals to y. It means that AB is parallel to CD because alternate angle test. Alternate angle test. क्या है alternate angle test? If a transversal intersect two lines and alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So from x is equals to 30 and y is equals to 30, we get x is equals to y, and x is equals to y means alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel by using alternate angle test. Now next question number 2. If AB is parallel to CD, means these two lines are parallel. And if the lines are parallel, then interior angles are supplementary, alternate angles equal and corresponding angles are also equal. CD is parallel to EF, So naturally, as AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, it means that AB is parallel to what? EF. Y is to Z is equals to 3 is to A. Y is to Z is equals to क्या दिया है? 3 is to A. We want to find the value of x. Got it? Now here, as AB is parallel to CD, solution में हम लिखेंगे as AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Therefore, we can say that AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. Means all the three lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Now it is given that y is to z is equals to 3 is to 7. This is of your given. Now for the ratio is given, as the ratio is given, we consider the common multiple, and that common multiple is considered as a small a consider करेंगे. Therefore the value of y is equals to 3a, और दूसरा जो वैल्यू रहेगा z is equals to 7a. मिल गया हमको. Means we consider the common multiple be x, therefore the value of y is equals to 3a and value of z is equals to what? 7a. Understood? Now here we are not considering this line first. इसको छोड़ दीजिए. अब आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, देखो चेक करो. Now as AB is parallel to EF, as AB is parallel to EF, and as this is the transversal, therefore x is equals to z. ले सकते हैं हम लोग. Therefore x is equals to z is equals to 7a. This is equation number 1. क्या है ये? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Got it? It means that as two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. Now here we consider another line. AB is parallel to CD. ये लेंगे अभी हम लोग. Means here we consider AB is parallel to CD. So as AB is parallel to CD, it means that these two angles are the interior angle, and sum of the interior angle is always equals to 180 degree. Therefore we write as a x plus y is equals to 180 degree, because they are the interior angles. As lines are parallel, then interior angles are supplementary. Therefore x की वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे? 7a plus y की वैल्यू 3a is equals to 180. ये कहां से लिखा हमने? From equation 1. So 3 plus 7, that is of equals to 10a. So 10a is equals to 180. Therefore a is equals to 18. a का वैल्यू कितना मिला मुझे? 18 मिला. अब a का वैल्यू यदि 18 है, so we can find the value of x. So x is equals to कितना है? 7a. Therefore x is equals to 7a. x का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ पे? 7a. And the value of a is equals to 18. Therefore that is of equals to 7 into 18. 7 into 18. Therefore 7 8s are 56. 56 means 6, carry 5. 7 means 7. 7 plus 5 कितना? 12. So that is x is equals to 126. तो x का वैल्यू क्या मिला मुझे? 126. Now next question, third. If AB is parallel to CD, AB और CD कैसी है? Parallel. And EF is perpendicular to CD. So this sign is the sign of perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So EF is perpendicular to CD. तो ये एंगल जो दिया है, ये एंगल कितना है आपका? 90 degree. And angle GED. GED means this whole angle. So measure of this whole angle GED is equals to 126. तो ये पूरा का पूरा जो एंगल दिया है, ये एंगल दिया है आपका 126 डिग्री. Then find the value of GEF. GEF means GEF. ये एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है. ये पहला एंगल क्वेश्चन मार्क दिया मैंने. दूसरा एंगल FGE. FGE ये दूसरा एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है आपको. एंड तीसरा एंगल दिया है AGE. AGE means this is the third angle. Okay, so all these three angles we can find by using any other method. अब कोई भी मेथड से हम लोग ले सकते हैं. लीनियर पेयर से ले सकते हैं, अल्टरनेट एंगल से ले सकते हैं. जैसे ये यदि निकालना है मुझे, डायरेक्टली मैं ले सकता हूं AGE and GED, ये बोथ आर द अल्टरनेट एंगल, तो उससे भी निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग. सिंपल है हमारे लिए. या फिर ये निकल गया तो ये निकाल सकते लीनियर पेयर से, तो उससे भी कर सकते. यू कैन यूज एनी मेथड टू फाइंड द आंसर. ओके, बट आंसर शुड बी करेक्ट एंड योर मेथड्स इज आल्सो करेक्ट. सो फर्स्ट वी कंसीडर दिस एंगल. ये एंगल पहले फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग. here can we say that the sum of these two angles is nothing but GED? So here we write solution. ये solution में हम सबसे पहले लेंगे here angle GED is nothing but the angle GED is equals to, अब GED के कितने दो पार्ट है, GEF FED, angle GEF plus angle FED. This sum of these two angles is nothing but the third angle. Okay, GED is equals to, given a 126 is equals to GEF that we want to find. So angle GEF plus EF is perpendicular to CD बोला है, therefore angle FED is equals to what? 90 degree. So we write as a 90 degree. Therefore 126 minus 90 is equals to angle GEF. Angle GEF. Here therefore angle GEF is equals to what we get? 6 minus 0, that is of equals to 6. Okay, and 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 means कितना हो गया? 3. So that is of equals to 36. So this is of your first angle. You got. मिल गया हमको? Means the measure of this angle is what? 36. Sorry. 6 is there. And this is 3, that is 36. ये 36 मिला इधर वाला, इस साइड वाला. So this is of your 36 and this is 90. So 36 plus 90 become 126. Got it? Now here AB is parallel to CD. It is given. And as AB is parallel to CD, it means that these two angles are the alternate angle. Check करो. AGE and GED, ये एंगल और ये वाला एंगल, ये दोनों एंगल कौन सा एंगल है? ये अल्टरनेट एंगल है, और अल्टरनेट एंगल है तो कैसे रहेंगे? इक्वल, बिकॉज द लाइंस आर पैरेलल. देयरफॉर एंगल AGE is equals to angle GED because they are the alternate angles. They are the alternate angles. Got it? इतना ध्यान में आ गया. अब AGE हमारे पास वैल्यू नहीं है, so angle AGE is equals to GED and the measure of GED is given 126. Therefore AGE is also equals to 126. This is of your second angle. Means AGE भी find out हो गया, ये एक find out हुआ. दूसरा GEF, this also we find here. Now the remaining is FGE. So this angle, and for this angle we consider these two angles as a forming a linear pair. क्या form कर रहे हैं वो? Linear pair. Therefore angle here AGE means कौन सा? AGE, this angle plus angle FGE is equals to 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair. Now we put the value AGE is equals to 126. So 126 plus angle FGE is equals to 180. Therefore angle FGE is equals to 180 minus 126. तो 180 minus 126, देखिए कितना आता है वैल्यू? तो 180 में से 126 माइनस करेंगे, 10 minus 6 that is of equals to 4. 10 minus 6 that is of equals to 4. Here 7 minus 2 it means 5 and 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So angle FGE is equals to 54 degree. Got it? 54 degree. It means we have all the three values. The first value is GEF and GF is equals to 36 degree, FGE is equals to 54 degree, and the third is AGE is equals to 126 degree. Okay, so you have to write all these three questions in your notebook.